Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Patty and I upload 2 videos a week. On Mondays, I do gnomes and characters, and on Thursdays, I do budget-friendly home decor. If you want to create a really cute, simple tiered tray for the winter that's both pretty and functional, stick around. I'll show you how. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Okay, for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit larger jar, filling it with hot chocolate mix. And then all the rest of them are going to be pretty much the same size. I'm going to use some white chocolate pieces. I'm going to use some caramel bites or caramel bits. I'm going to use some peppermint, just some crushed up peppermint. And I got all my little jars at Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to add some little marshmallows. These are little freeze-dried marshmallows. And I'll give you the link to those. I got those on Amazon. And then I'm going to add some chocolate chip pieces. Okay, then I'm going to take these little white jars that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to put some peppermint candy in them. Some little candy canes in them. I'm going to add some little stir sticks in one and some straws in another one. And then I'm going to add some little cinnamon sticks to just a little tin can I had. Then I got these little labels, and I'll give you the link to those. You can download them. And I'm just going to label each one of my jars with exactly what's in it. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some little gingerbread Kit Kat bars, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them in my jar. Now I'm going to put them in there so that the label faces outward all the way around. Okay, next I'm just going to take some baker's twine and I'm just going to go ahead and attach my labels. Now I'm punching a hole in the corner at the front part of the word, and I'm going to hang all of my labels exactly the same way so they look a lot more uniform. You can add anything to this hot chocolate bar that you want to. It's just really nice to have everything at your fingertips instead of having to dig through the cabinet when you're wanting to make a hot cup of hot chocolate with some different things in it. And just label all of your labels. And then I'm going to show you here in a little bit how I set up my tiered tray. Next, I'm just going to take a 4.5 by 4.5 little wooden plank I got at Dollar Tree, and I painted it black. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach this little sign that I made, and I'll give you a link in the description below if you want to print one out and make it yourself. And I'm just Mod Podging it on the back, and then I'm going to attach it to my little wooden plank. And I'm just going to kind of smooth that out. Okay, then I'm going to take a little metal container I have. I'm going to put a little styrofoam ball, half ball down in there. And then I'm going to take a stick, I'm going to sharpen it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and poke a hole right down the middle. Okay, then I'm just going to go ahead and paint the part that shows black. And then I'm just going to put it right back down in there. And I'm going to attach my sign with some E6000 glue and some hot glue. Just kind of see exactly where you want it and then go ahead and get it glued in. Okay, then I'm just going to take some little reindeer moss and I'm just going to glue it right down in the bottom just to cover up that piece of styrofoam. Okay, this video was sponsored by a company on Amazon that sells these Christmas tree bags. This bag is super large. It holds a 7.5 up to a 7.5-inch Christmas tree. If you've ever had to put your Christmas tree back in the box like I do every single year, you will love this bag. And for the price point, it's really a good value. So all you got to do is just get it in there. And actually, I was able to put some more stuff in here besides just this Christmas tree. I actually put a couple of my other little trees in the bag as well. It held a lot. It's water resistant, it's tear resistant, and it's not real hard to carry. And also, it has a little pull bag handle, so you can just carry it and pull it out. Okay, I got this tiered tray on Amazon, and I had to cut the little handle off of it just so it'd go underneath my countertop. And then I'm just going to start by putting the jars that look alike in the front. And then I'm going to put my hot chocolate on one side, and then I'm going to put another jar that matches these down in the back. Okay, then my mugs were Christmas mugs, and I'm just going to turn them backwards so that you don't see the writing on them. And then for my taller things, I'm just going to stick them on top of my tray. And all of these are so handy to have right at your fingertips. You can make so many different types of hot chocolate flavors by adding whatever you want to add. And then I'm going to add some Bailey's Irish Cream little bottles because I'm going to have some friends over for New Year's and they go great in hot chocolate. Okay, then I'm going to add a little scoop to each little jar. And I'll give you the link for these. I got these on Amazon. They're super cute. Okay, then I'm going to add a little pedestal to add a couple other things. I'm going to add some to-go cups in case somebody wants to take one with them. I'm going to add my little sign, and then in the little cocoa mug, I'm going to put a bag in there, and I'm going to add some little cookie sticks in here, and those go great with hot chocolate. And this was pretty easy to put together, and then you have everything at your fingertips if you want to have a nice cup of hot chocolate. And I'm just going to tie this off at the top with a little twisty. Just that easy. Look how cute that is. And your friends and your family will love to make their own hot chocolate. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to give me a like. And if you want to see future videos, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. Thanks for watching.